Good morning, guys. We're at another garage sale and the people are letting us record and they got heaps of stuff, so we're going to put this one up, and if you see anything here you like, I'll put the address up on this on the link so you can come and have a look. And there's something on that paper, isn't there? Nice. Lots of books. Nelson's Bible. My missus won't let me buy books, but I buy them anyway. I've got a storage shed full of books. I listen to you, honey.
Just thinking. That's a good container.
Maybe it's blinding.
Oh, it's a lad. We don't mind the dog.
I was going to take him home and come back.
No. I'll give him here.
He's very friendly.
We've got a lad. Yeah, we'll hold him.
Oh, do you?
We've got a lad. Let's go with a black lad.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Absolutely useless in a lot of ways, other than getting rid of table scraps and loving you.
We've got a black lad. I need to
Really?
take a picture of you to show Chico.
Yeah, I always raised Chesapeake Bay Retrievers. I don't know if you know what they are. They look like a Labrador, except a lot thinner, and they're like a chocolate color.
Come this way.
But they're very careful.
Some watches.
I'll have to show you our lad in a minute.
You don't want home?
No.
Oh, thank you very much. I'll take a quick look around.
We'll walk around the side.
No camper lamp. So stuff out the back, all this out the back too, yeah. Wow. That's a big price, isn't it? Vice is good for $50. I don't deal tools. I wonder if Chris has seen this one.
Yeah, I cut all that old ladder and that up. Oh, right, I cut all that up. Wow. You sold it. Gotta be here somewhere.
There is so much. What brands on this? $125.5 was has got a brand on it. You're looking for a pommy name. I can't remember the name until I see it. So what's going on? You're moving out, are you?
My cousin Reg.
Yeah.
Oh, Lenny's wife passed away 12 months ago. Reg has been living here in the house.
Yep.
How are you? Yeah, okay. And he just couldn't
He's
help
not.
himself.
Yep.
He's just, and there's a debt on the house. So for his benefit, we've kind of swarmed in and taken over. And
Right.
went, okay, come on. So we've sent him off to care
Yep.
up at the gardens up here. And he's kind of, one day he's okay to be there, next day, oh no, he wants to be dead, So, so he's all over the shop. But
So it's all got to go.
Absolutely.
So shall I go up and have a look around?
Yeah,
everywhere?
you're most welcome.
Yeah.
You're most welcome.
So how long has he been here? It's a lot of stuff.
About 38 years.
Yeah. So everything's got to go.
Yeah.
God, look at all these. They're just all brand new. Look at parts. They're all a bit damp at the moment. So what are they like? So all of this has got to go. Everything. Oh my giddy aunt. Have a look at it. So this is, as you just heard, one man's collection. Wow. Look at Holy Jack. Blimmin' heck. He must have had a... Oh my God. Look at it all. They have definitely got a big job to do. I can hear someone. Wow. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. He obviously knew his stuff. Look at all the car stereos. Wow. God, is that a... Oh, it is too. It's the Lions Club used to sell them. My dad was in the Lions Club years ago, and the barbecues used to be... We used to have heaps of them. Hey, man.
I thought it was a son.
No.
How did you get in there?
Oh, they just said, I've got a YouTube channel. And they said I can go where I like. Because they need to get rid of all of this. Do the old VHS. Isn't it amazing?
Hey?
It's amazing. It's a time capsule, mate.
What, mate?
Did you know? It's amazing. Everything. Isn't it?
There's fucking so much stuff.
There is just, and they've got to move it all.
They fucking never threw anything fucking in.
No. Well, I mean, that generation
You
didn't.
know, but one of their relations is coming over and I'm putting some of this older stuff out for her, you know?
Yeah.
Because she wants some of green card stuff. Well, I said, I'm fucked if I know if she gets here.
I think the other room I was just in sort
I
of,
can't fucking do nothing until she gets here.
just see what it
There's
is.
all too much fucking stuff.
No.
It's all broken. Yeah, don't ask me what's in there, mate.
No, that's half the fun of it, isn't it?
I'll take that out to the fucking dump, actually. But you know, they're fucking, I don't know, he just fucking kept everything.
Everything. What did he do?
Huh?
Was he a mechanic?
He was a fucking truck driver, furnace remover.
Fair income.
But I reckon he must have fucking stuff fallen off the back of truck.
Well, I don't know about this because he was obviously into electronics and stuff. Because he had this set up here.
Yeah, yeah.
He's obviously into it. This is the stuff that's
Yeah.
for the more
Oh, yeah.
memorable stuff.
See, that was his father, see?
Oh, that was okay.
He said he had the Andy's license in it.
Oh yeah, because of
something.
yeah.
But he said the car stays. Must be an old Valley.
Oh yeah. It looks like it.
So,
On that press button, bloody
yeah.
You know, the press button autos on the dash
Oh
ones.
yeah, mate. Yeah.
This
Yeah,
is
but they're always a bastard to start.
yeah.
They wind and wind and wind and wind. You know?
This is just amazing.
You know, I'm just trying to go through it. And
Where do you start, mate? It's
stuff out to sell, you know, and stuff like that. You know?
where do you start? It's so much.
Kept every friggin' box that was available. You know, like I'm scrapping so much stuff and stuff to think. I'm still, he kept every friggin' lead he pulled off his car. You know?
Yeah.
You know, don't know
Look, seatbelts.
Hey?
Big line up of seatbelts.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. But they're no good to anybody.
Locks. Look at this.
All got keys on them.
What is what do they want for the locks?
You know, but I'm trying to find the fucking keys for these ones.
Ah, yeah, there'd be a rounder
See,
key.
He could be in here somewhere, see?
Yeah,
with
that
his
would
key
that
collection.
would be that sort of key, something of a round one.
Yeah, but no, I think they got a hole in the middle. But anyway.
Look at this. This is nuts.
Yeah, I know.
They've been there for 20, 30 years, mate. Look at the dust on them.
Oh, easy, mate. Easy. Easy, brother. I don't know.
Oh, my God. It makes me feel better because I've got like a lot of junk at my joint too. I've got a storage shed. Look at this, Scoop. It's amazing. Look at this.
Look at them. Oh, cool.
Yeah, I want to see if we can buy them.
Yeah.
And even if you just leave it like that as art would be awesome. Does it all come off? I don't know. I don't want to. It's on a chain, so it must do. Or is
Oh,
that,
there'd be somewhere.
is there two chains? So that one, I think it's only little. That's only got a couple on it.
Yeah. They're friggin' old ones, some of them.
Well, they are, aren't they?
Yeah,
they're real old ones, aren't they?
Try and find the key.
I reckon he probably put them somewhere special.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And he'll never bloody find it.
But usually...
Yeah, no, but see the locks we're talking
these
about?
ones here, mate. See these locks?
Yeah.
But I can't find them at the moment, so... But, anyway.
So who's doing the pricing? Who do I ask for prices on stuff?
What do you want, mate?
The locks, these locks. I don't know if he got that.
Unless
I can't.
get it up there.
I can't see if it's screwed on there or it's just on that.
Yeah, hold on, mate. She's got a hook here. She's got it on a fucking chain. Don't ask me how.
No, it's hard to. No, I can't work it out either. If you hold one out, maybe we can get to the bottom of it.
See this one here. This one here. That's channel.
That's just a light one, yeah.
Put that one there.
He's got that bolted
Now
in there.
what he's got.
See that?
That's nothing. It should just come up like that.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
See, there they are. Look at that.
All right. So I go and ask her out there what she wants for him?
How much do you think it's worth?
Oh, God. I only want to pay sort of 20, 30. I only want to pay 20, 30 bucks. It's probably worth 300, but just as it is.
Yeah.
Because it's like art to me, really.
Well, what if we say 40? You still make a fair bit, even if you sold them.
I think you're probably right. Let's have a count.
I'll still be here next week. No doubt. And they need a good spray and they'll all work.
Oh, yeah, I agree with you.
But I know what you pay for some of them.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Like, I
really
bought
old locks are very collectible.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
And they do repos of these as well. They're not repos.
Yeah.
But they do,
Find
mate.
those frigging things. I'll ask him when I see him next. If he knows where the keys are.
Jesus. Did you have a look in this room?
Because
No.
I know he's like had them all there.
It's so much. So much, Scoob. It's nuts. It's this must have been like his little work area, you know. He had a lounge in here, and what about these? That's car stereos. So he's got all these, and he must have been into the CBs.
Yeah.
See this? Oh shit! Oh God, you can't anything you touch.
They fall everywhere.
Anything you bloody touch.
Don't even know
What's that?
Yeah, that's an old fucking thing. It's an old one.
It's an inbox friggin'.
I wonder who it was.
It's an amplifier.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a receiver.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a radio one.
Yeah.
But that's cool too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's probably never taken out the box.
Yeah. I would never. High fidelity, man.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in that one. See,
Oh, that's a public address.
That's what I said. Just put it on the floor, mate. I'll go through all that.
That's a public address amplifier.
See, this will be.
It says on the here. It's a
Yeah.
it's a 3 solid state public address amplifier.
Yeah.
We should probably be able to look that up actually. Scoobs, you better look that up, eh?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
There's another thing down there.
What's in that one?
I think it's up the wrong way. Oh no, it's not. It could be anything. Like, it's just a drill. Yeah.
Oh, I don't.
You know, on the job sites now, they can't use power cords.
Nope.
Everything's battery.
Yep. I know.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you got to have the cords running up top. So
Yeah.
Nobody can
No, they won't even let them on site now.
Nobody will fucking.
No union site anyway. It's like, no. Look this up, Scoop.
They're all good ones.
It's just, it's crazy. This is what your life's going out by, Scooby.
Anyway.
Except it'll be with toys.
I'm gonna real stuff.
Yeah. Man, I mean, just each drawer. Look at the old wooden tent poles.